This video is for you guys who are afraid to put yourself on camera if you run a video or creative agency and you're like, you don't want to put yourself out there, you're worried to be on camera, you're worried to start making content, and like coming from somebody who was very worried up front, like going on camera, being judged, whatever, right? It's like at a certain point, you just have to do it, I think, and like you just get better by doing it, right? It's like you didn't get better at filming or creating content by not doing it. And it's the same thing with like putting yourself on camera and like getting in front of the camera, filming ads, filming a VSL, filming case studies with your clients. I think so many of you guys, including myself, were very worried to be like, we were always behind the camera. And then when it's time to like flip it and get in front of the camera, we were like, what the heck is this? This is not what I'm used to. And it's something new, right? And I think a lot of people worry about that and they get nervous and kind of like just very uptight when they're on camera. But you have to realize that you just have to start. And I think the thing that helped me is that it doesn't have to be this polished content, especially when it came to like making YouTube videos. I just wouldn't make YouTube videos because I was like, they have to be crazy edited. They have to be this insane thing that like, has all these cuts and crazy B-roll and like all these wild things that just seem unattainable. And it's almost like this hill that's way too high to climb to where you're like, I'm not going to do it now. And I think what you have to realize is that like, you just need to do it yourself and like get on camera, have a basic setup, have something that isn't going to be really difficult for you to do. So you can just start getting in the habit of talking to the camera. It doesn't have to be polished. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get out there and do it. And so like, if you take anything away from this video, just start getting content out there because like you will regret it when you look back in a year, 2 years, 3 years, because the best time to do it is now. And it's like, if you don't start that compounding vehicle, it just becomes even harder to do the longer that you wait. So hopefully that helps. Just my 2 cents, probably all it's worth, but hopefully it helps 1 or 2 of you guys out there, and we'll see you in the next one.